Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade away. So when I'm gone, oh, when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun. Keep holding on, keep holding on, and I'll be right there, close to the sun, close to the sun. Close to the sun.
Hi guys, before we continue our travel, maybe it's time to create a name on our moped, because our moped just go Saturday, Sunday. The moped, we've been riding this bike since Saturday, and we have to create a name for this one. So we're gonna call our moped bike Calamay. Yeah, that's a good name because we're going to Jagna at the moment to eat Calamay. So we're gonna bless this one. Our Calamay, our moped bike. So let's go. Let's
To the ones who let shine through the rain, the ones who stood for something more, we won't forget your names. The tide is high, say goodbye, we're setting sail, and all those midnight secrets told, we'll take them to the grave. So when I'm gone, oh, when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun. Keep holding on, and I'll be right there, close to the sun.
So we're halfway going to Jagna. So we just have to stop over. My hands is getting cramped. It's been more than an hour now for the moped scooter, and it's been a fun ride from Jagna Bohol going straight to Jagna. All the roads is by the sea, so you have a nice and amazing scenery every time. But you still have probably a big advice to bring a lot of water because I'm thirsty already. So but it won't be long now, around less than 30 minutes from here, probably less than that, and we are enjoying this lovely day to go around Bohol Island, adventure, exploring. Yeah, it's gonna be a lot of fun.
Close to the sun. Close to the sun. So when I'm gone, oh, when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun. Keep holding on, and I'll be right there, close to the sun, close to the sun.
Hey, we conquer Jagna! It's so hot, but we did arrive in Jagna. So this is Jagna already. So we're gonna enjoy the Kalamay of Jagna.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade away. So when I'm gone, oh, when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun. Keep holding on, and I'll be right there, close to the sun, close to the sun. Close to the sun.
Up to the Ching's Eatery here in Jagna. So we are here to buy some calamay, and we've heard that the factory is still closed until 1:30 or 1 o'clock in the afternoon, but still 11:30 at the moment. So we just have to eat because we are starving. Along the way, we could smell the grilled fish already, and then it makes you hungry. Well, we are just eating some of the local delicacy, some of the local recipe here in Jagna. So let's
Here's
have a
to the
lunch.
ones who let shine through the rain, the ones who stood for something more, we won't forget your names. The tide is high, say goodbye, we're setting sail, and all those midnight secrets told, we'll take them to the grave. So when I'm gone, oh, when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun.
May hapon. Sa flavoran.
Original flavor.
Kayo Ching. Dali na lang kung mga nagtrabaho sa inyo. Gan kayo, pagtrabaho sa kayo mo na rin. Sino pula po? Oh. Yan na kayo sa. Ano sa ingredients ay?
Stickerized coconut milk and kimchi. I don't know what it's in.
No sugar?
It's not a brown sugar. It's like it's not.
Bosco sugar.
What do you call that?
Brown sugar?
No, the other one.
Mascobado.
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 Yeah.
Mascobado sugar.
Yeah. Gin. No.
Kasi mo nga?
Elaine.
Si Elaine. Si Elaine ang tour guide.
Katong nagluto dito,
Si Michael,
katong banggitan.
si Bunching.
Nung bunching, ay my God.
Bunching?
Bunching, katong banggitan. Bunching ang katong fan.
Tao Michael.
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 Elaine.
Elaine ang tour guide.
Yeah.
So invite mga katawan.
Si- invite
Wala
mo
siya.
diri sa inyong kasi yung Ching Calamay. No,
Ari na mo diri sa Ching Calamay.
Bisita.
Sita na mo diri.
Dili kilami king Kalamay. So this is the delicacy here in Jagna. Only in Jagna they create the best Calamay all over Bohol. So these are the Calamay desserts or sino siya kakanin sweets desserts. Perfect.
Flavor.
These are the plain. My favorite is the ubi. So I haven't tried this one. So that's why I took 2 of them. It's only 50 pesos each. The big one, the under the coconut ones, like this big,
Coconut shell.
under coconut shells, are 90 pesos each. But the thing when you open it and then you cannot finish it, so you can't close it. Like that's not the same as this one that you can close it anytime you like. The other one is plain. The other one is with peanuts. So yeah, we could bring this anywhere we want to go. It's so sweet. Mauni siya ang mahubog sa Calamay. Masubraan sa kaon sa Calamay, nahubog. Mission accomplished. We did come here. This is the traditional way to make the Calamay. Really, really tasty desserts. I love it. I love the OB flavor and the normal one and the one with the peanuts. We bought it. You can also visit here for free to see how it's done, how it cooked, how it packaging and everything. So normally we visit here when you are in Jagna. But at the moment we are in Panglao, so we have to bike here for at least 2 hours of Moped and then just to see the facility, how to make the traditional Calamay. So I hope you enjoy this one. Until the next vlog, continue our adventure. Till the next one, cheers, bye!
Keep holding on, and I'll be right there, close to the sun, close to the sun. So when I'm gone, oh, when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun. Keep holding on, and I'll be right there, close to the sun, close to the sun.
Alright guys, we have to stop. The rain is too much for us. From hot sun, 45 degrees, to this. So we're soaking. Good thing that our gear is all water resistant. So it's alright. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Traveling to Jagna Bohol just to taste the Calamay. And now we're heading back to Panglao after this rain. So let's go. More adventure.